Welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is A-Rod A Millie, and I'm here today with another haircut, a fire hair color, and I'm here with
Cheddar Meister.
Let's get this party rolling. Bienvenidos a todos mis latinos a nivel mundial. Así que vamos a comenzar. Si no estás suscrito a mi canal, dale el botón de suscribirte, el botón de la campanita para que no te pierdas ningún video. Siempre activo. So the first thing we're doing is decolorating the top. He had a little bit of green left. I'm making sure we get that removed so we can apply the next color with no problem. Estamos decolorando el pelo de arriba porque le quedaba un poco de verde, así que lo vamos a llevar al tono que necesito para que el próximo color lo agarre con fuerza. On the A-Rod A Millie YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed yet and you like to watch haircuts, see transformations, learn about products, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, so you can get notified every time I upload a video. That's fire! Now that I'm done with the color, I'm gonna move next with a hair design. And after the hair design, I'm gonna move up with the fade to add some nice touches, make that haircut come to life. This is A-Rod A Millie. This is A-Rod A Millie. Millie, 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 Millie.
Meister.
My wall heroes coming in clutch, giving me the ability to create with a nice sharp line what is the design they all want to execute on every haircut. So if you're looking with a nice trimmer, this trimmer I highly recommend it. With my wall baldings, I make sure that first guideline is super close to the skin with that 5-0 gap. Some 5-star senior action. Gotta love my wall tools.
Meister.
And the best way to get super close to the skin is using the Wahl 5-star shaver. And we're reaching the end of this video. Thank you for staying all the way here. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Espero que les haya gustado. Gracias por quedarse hasta el final. Si no están suscritos, denle al botón de suscribirse, denle a la campanita para que nunca se pierdan mis videos.